Hello everybody, how you doing? I know it has been a little while since I posted a new studio tutorial, but the reason for that is that there's been a whole lot of exciting things happening with Playwell Bricks in the last month, and honestly, I've just been trying to keep ahead of that so that I can get back into my usual schedule for putting up videos. To start with, as you can see, I have finally completed the Brookside Manor. That was a 2-month project that I've been working on. And in the last couple of weeks, I put a big push on it to finish it all up and get it done for the client. So now it is done. I will be getting in all the bricks to build it and then get it shipped off to the client. As a side note, very surprising to me is an art museum in Brazil wishes to have the mansion on display as well. So I'm going to be creating a second copy so that they will be able to display the model for the public there. So I was very honored in the beginning to even be able to do this project, and then to have the additional honor of having it on public display in an art gallery is absolutely amazing. So I'm really grateful that my client allowed me to take on this challenge, and it has opened up a lot of new doors. So I am very, very grateful for that. Speaking of new doors opening, I've had a lot of requests for commissions over the last while. In fact, so many I was getting inundated and getting a bit over my head, and because of that, I decided it was time to bring in a team of people to help me with my designs. So very quickly, here is the new design team. I was utterly blown away by the talent of the people that I interviewed, and these 6 fit the exact criteria that I was looking for people who were willing to take a challenge, who were okay with failing and learning, and who were really, really creative in all of their endeavors in life. The background of the team includes people that are into graphic design, multimedia, website design, animation, business management. The list goes on, and together we're going to be able to take the quality of Playwell Bricks designs up to the next level. So I really look forward to working with these people. We've already started a lot of projects together and a lot of back and forth and collaboration going on. I have to say, in the past week, it has been an absolute joy to work with them. So I know we're going to do some fabulous things in the future. So definitely keep an eye on this spot. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because we're going to be doing a lot of things with YouTube, and we are going to be showing way more designs than we did before. We have 11 projects on the go right now, which is a lot for any designers, but I know my team can handle it. So if you or anybody that you know has a design that you wish done, please get in touch with us. Also, there's a new website in development. It's already up, but it needs some tweaking before we make it live. So that is going to be live in the next week or so. You'll be able to see all of the commissions I've done so far and be able to keep tabs on what our team is doing in the future. As well, there'll be information there on how to commission us for a design. There's going to be lots more planned for the website, so this is just going to be a start for that. So needless to say, there is a lot going on in the background. I also want to start a new YouTube series on Lego design, starting with Lego math and geometry, which is the basis for everything that I do. So again, if you haven't subscribed, please take the time to do so. There's going to be lots coming down the pipe. And as always, have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.